Hello student, I am Shiv sir and today I discuss topic tangent and normals. Tangent and normal. So basically here we first explain slope of tangent, then second slope of normals, and then third point is point of contact. After these 3 points we go to the equation of tangent and equation of normal and point of intersection of two curves. So first here you see we consider x-axis and y-axis and curve y equal to fx. If you draw a line on this curve in such a way this line touch this curve at a single point, then this point is known as point of contact. This point is known as a point of contact. Okay, point of contact, and this line is known as tangent. This line is known as a tangent line, and line perpendicular to tangent line, a line perpendicular to the tangent line is known as a normal line. Okay, this line is known as a tangent line. So if line touch a curve at a single point, so that point is known as a point of contact, and that line is known as a tangent line, and line perpendicular to a tangent line is known as a normal line. Clear? Now I explained slope of the tangent. So suppose that we have coordinate axes OX and OY and curve y equal to fx, and any line which passes through this curve and touching at single point and making an angle, suppose that theta with x-axis, then slope of tangent this particular point, say this particular point P whose coordinate x1 comma y1, then slope of this tangent will be denoted by dy by dx at this point x1 comma y1, and this will be also equal to tangent of theta, tan theta, and this tan theta is denoted by m. So dy by dx of a given curve at a particular point is known as slope of a tangent. Now what is the slope of normal? So slope of normal is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. That means minus 1 upon dy by dx at particular point x1 comma y1, and this can be also written as minus 1 upon m. This can be also written as minus 1 upon a normal line, and this line is a normal line denoted by n, and suppose that this is denoted by t, and this angle will be 90 degree. Okay, so slope of tangent and slope of normal. Now you see, if a tangent line parallel to the x-axis, suppose we have a coordinate axis OX and OY, and we have a curve, suppose that like that type. If you draw a tangent on this curve y equal to fx, then in that case tangent will be parallel to x-axis. In that case tangent parallel to x-axis. Now in that case angle with x-axis, that means theta is 0. So what is the slope of tangent? What is the slope of this tangent? So slope of this tangent, that means dy by dx or x at particular point, say x1 y1, suppose this point is x1 comma y1 x1 comma y1 equal to tan of 0, and tan 0 will be 0. Okay, if tangent parallel to x axis, in that case theta is 0 and dy by dx will be 0, means slope of tangent is 0. Now suppose that tangent parallel to y axis, again we consider a curve y equal to fx and coordinate axes ox and oy, and suppose that this one curve y equal to fx. Now tangent, if you draw a tangent at this point, then in that case here angle is 90 degree, that means theta is 90 degree, and in that case slope of tangent, slope of tangent, what is the slope of tangent in that case? That means theta is here 90 degree, or you say in a term of degree measure 90 degree or pi by 2. So slope of tangent dy by dx minus 1 times dy by dx equal to, minus 1 times slope of tangent equal to dy by dx equal to tan of theta, and this will be tan 90 degree, and tan 90 degree is not defined. Okay, tan 90 degree is not defined, that means slope of tangent is not defined. If tangent parallel to x axis, then slope of tangent is 0, and slope of tangent in that case is not defined. Then what will be the slope of normal in that case? So slope of normal in that case, if tangent line parallel to y axis, so in that case slope of normal will be equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, and this will be equal to minus 1 upon not defined, and 1 upon not defined will be 0. Clear? So if tangent parallel to x axis, then slope of tangent is 0, and if tangent parallel to y axis, so in that case slope of normal is 0. Now related to these two topics, I have solved some questions. See here. I have a questions. Find the slope of tangent of this curve x square plus 3y plus y square equal to 0 at point 1 comma 1. At point 1 comma 1, find out the slope of tangent. This is exercise number 7.2, question number 1, first subpart of ML Agarwal book. This question is, so find out the slope of tangent of this curve at this particular point 1 comma 1. So first of all we differentiate it with respect to x. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get 2x plus 3y plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx equal to 0. Now put the value of x and y in this equation. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. We get 2 into 1, 3 dy by dx plus 2 into 1, y is also 1, x is 1, y is also 1, dy by dx equal to 0. So you see 3 times dy by dx and 2 times dy by dx equal to 5 times dy by dx, that will be equal to minus 2. So dy by dx equal to minus 2 upon 5, and this one is the slope of tangent at particular point 1 comma 1. This is the slope of tangent at particular point 1 comma 1. So this type of questions, first you solve, differentiate given curve and then put the value of point in given curve, and you can find the dy by dx or slope of tangent at given particular point. Now we consider one more questions. Question number 2, suppose that, now we consider one more questions. Question number 2, y equal to x cube minus 5x square minus x plus 1 and at a point 1 comma minus 4, at point 1 comma minus 4. Okay, now find the slope of normal this curve at this point 1 comma minus 4. Find out the slope of normal. So first of all we find out the slope of tangent, that means dy by dx at this particular point. First we find out the dy by dx at this particular point. So differentiate this curve with respect to x, dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 10x minus 1, and 1 differentiation is 0. Now put the value of x and y. So x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 4 in this slope. So 3 into 1 whole square minus 10 into 1. Okay, 3 minus 10, that will be equal to minus times 7. This one is the slope of tangent, but we know that slope of tangent is negative, slope of normal is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. So slope of normal equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx slope of tangent at this particular point. This one is the formula. So minus 1 upon minus 7, that will be equal to 1 upon 7. So slope of normal this curve at this particular point 1 comma minus 4 is 1 upon 7. So we have learned that we have how to find the slope of tangent and how to find the slope of normal at a given particular point. Now we move to equation of tangent and equation of normal at particular point. So equation of tangent, suppose we have a curve y equal to fx. Suppose we have a curve y equal to fx, like that y equal to fx, we consider a coordinate axis and y equal to fx, and this particular point where the tangent touches the curve, this one is the particular point where tangent touch the curve, and this one is the angle, and this line is a tangent line, and suppose this point is x1 comma y1. So equation of this tangent line, equation of tangent line. So for that, first of all we find out the slope of tangent. And slope of tangent at a particular point, say x1 comma y1. So this will be dy by dx at point x1 comma y1, and that will be equal to m. Now equation of tangent line is y minus y1 m x minus x1, y minus y1 m x minus x1, where m is slope of the tangent at a given particular point. Now if you find out the equation of normal at the same point, then say this is a normal line and this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degrees. So equation of normal is y minus y1 and x minus x1. Here we put the value of slope of normal. Now slope of normal and slope of tangent, there will be relation between slope of normal and slope of tangent. Slope of normal is negative reciprocal of slope of tangent, means here is slope of tangent is m, so negative reciprocal of m is minus 1 upon m. So equation of normal will be y minus y1 minus 1 upon m x minus x1. This one is the equation of normal. Okay, now we see some question related to these two topics. For example, now we see the some question related to these two topics. Here we have a question, find out the equation of tangent and normal and given curve y equal to x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at point 1 comma 3 at point 1 comma 3. Okay, to find out the equation of tangent and normal at this particular point 1 comma 3. So first of all we have to find out slope or slope of tangent. So first of all differentiate it with respect to x, differentiating it with respect to x. Now differentiating it with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to, as you know, that 4 x cube minus 18 x square plus 26 x minus 10. Okay, after that put the value of point 1 comma 3, x equal to 1 and y equal to 3. So we put x equal to 1 in this slope. 4 1 cube minus 80 1 whole square plus 26 into 1 minus 10. So 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. Now 30 minus 28, this will be equal to 2. So slope of tangent, this is known as slope of tangent. Slope of tangent equal to 2. Now slope of normal is negative reciprocal of this, that means minus 1 upon dy by dx at particular point 1 comma 3 equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now we have to find equation of tangent line and equation of normal line. So equation of tangent according to formula y minus y1 m x minus x1. You can say this is m. Okay, y minus y1 m x minus x1, and x1 y1 is point. x1 equal to 1 and y1 equal to 3. So put the value of x1 and y1 minus y minus 3, m is 2, x1 is 1. After solving y minus 3, 2x minus 2. Now transposing all term on right hand side. So 2x minus y minus 2 plus 3 equal to 0. So 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is known as the equation of tangent at particular point 1 comma 3. Now we find the equation of normal at this same point. Equation of normal at the same point, see here. So equation of normal is y minus y1 minus 1 upon m x minus x1. Put the value of x1 y1 y minus y1. y1 is 3, here y1 is 3 and x1 is 1 minus 1 upon m. m is 2, m is 2 and x minus x1, x1 is 1. Now solve it, cross multiply by 2, 2y minus 6 minus x plus 1. Now transposing all term left hand side, so x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. This is known as the equation of normal, equation of normal to the curve, and this is known as equation of tangent to the curve. Okay.